Cianjur is one of the regencies in West Java that is interesting to visit. Because the area, which is famous for its pelling chickens, is able to offer a variety of cool tourist spots. If in East Java, the waterfall has the title Koban, whereas in West Java, it is called Curug. Waterfall tourism can be used as a reference for nature tourism. The charm of waterfalls has natural beauty that is so amazing. One of them is Curug Ngebul Cianjur, which you can choose as an impressive adventure destination, where the existence of this Cianjur tourist attraction is very enthusiastically welcomed by local residents, especially tourists from out of town. Indeed, the location of the waterfall is quite hidden, but its beautiful panorama is able to make many tourists curious. With charming natural beauty, Koban Ngebul Cianjur is able to display the charm of a waterfall that is so captivating. This natural beauty can be seen from the cliffs surrounding the waterfall, which flows profusely, always making tourists feel at home here. Not even a few of them always visit. The origin of the name Ngebul waterfall was taken by local residents because of the description of the shape of the falling water that looks like steam. Is steaming or steaming. Panorama is presented besides waterfalls and views of exotic cliffs. You can find the forest is still beautiful. Moreover, the air around the tourist attraction is so fresh and soothing. The green and soothing panorama is so suitable as a place for referring and can cool the body and soul. According to information obtained by the data tourism editor, that the height of the Cianjur waterfall tour is at an altitude of approximately 1,000 meters above sea level. So it's not strange if the atmosphere here feels so comfortable. The sensation of the freshness of the waterfall feels very typical of the mountains. It's just that. In order to reach tourist sites, each visitor requires an extra struggle, walking step by step until they reach their destination. But you don't need to worry, because the beauty of the panorama will accompany your every step. It feels more fun when your adventure is with friends. Of course, you don't feel tired from traveling at all. If you are at the Ngebul waterfall, surely you will feel a different sensation from the waterfalls you have visited before. In fact, there are lots of fun activities here. For example, taking fun selfies using cool natural backgrounds, enjoying the beauty of nature.
Jangan lupa subscribe-nya ya, Kak.
Especially panoramas of waterfalls, swimming and camping together.
Jangan lupa subscribe-nya ya, Kak.